Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my tutorial. So guys, today's video is about a website name called Fakeupdate. The link you can find in the description. Go and visit this website and click enter. And so guys, once you are in this website, what this website do is, if you want to prank one of your friend or anyone else, so select one of your pamphlet, and as you can see, do not shut down your computer. For this is for Windows 7. For full screen, you can just press F11 for your keyboard for full screen, and when you will click enter right over here, as you can see, this will appear this code like your computer is not working, is getting update, so please don't open. And if you are using Mac or anything else, for Mac you can just simply open this, and you can see over here the Mac is updating. Website is for just for fun and for prank, whatever you call. For Windows 10, you can see over here this pamphlet is there, whatever Windows you use guys. So guys, that's what I want to show you guys. If you are new here, so make sure to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. I really appreciate it, and please like and share and subscribe. And if you have any questions, so let me know in the comment section. And that's all. Subscribe and bye.